Good day, everybody. We are here to do a training on the ArcGIS, how we can import the scanned map or imagery into the ArcGIS environment, as well you can georeference in it, and also how you can create the different layer for different feature classes like roads, major road, minor road, river, streams, settlements, footpath, contour, and so on and so forth. Here is already launched ArcMap environment. This ArcMap, ArcInfo. You close this one now. Let's just minimize. Before we start, the image that has been scanned has already been saved under the C drive and is called digital mapping classes. The image is there. This is the image I want to use. It's already there. It's a topo map, part of Nigeria topo map series. And then after it's already saved on the C drive, now go to new map. After the new map, you click OK. After the OK, it will give you the reference one now. Go to File and save a copy as what. Try to save it under the same class you create as lower version, preferably 9.0 document, so that it will be able to open in the lower version, because this ArcGIS 10.0 suit, so that when you save as lower type, it should be able to open in lower version of ArcGIS software. Let's call it training 1. So click save. It's loading. It's already saved. So now go to this icon, add data. You click add data to give you the add data dialog box. Try to go to connect to folder. When you connect to folder, you select C drive and you select local disk. You go and look for the folder you name, which digital mapping class. You click OK. When you click OK, it will bring what is there for you. And then what is there now is image, different image in TIFF, JPEG, but we are going to use image 2016 0120004 JPEG. You click OK, you click add. Selecting, you click add. It's trying to load it now. It's loading it. This is the image. Let me just zoom in now. You see the image. This is the image. Can you see it now? This is the image. See this image? So after that one, you click, right click, you go to data frame property to set a property. Because this was already set now, but I want to discuss the process for you. Let's assume that this was not here before. So let's just assume you go to the predefined, you go to projected coordinate system, you go to UTM, and you go to Africa, and then you now look for where MENA. Where we are working is MENA zone 31. You now click it MENA, so that after that we say apply, and you click OK. It will take you to where it is now. Now, the first thing we did is just how to add data and into the GIS environment. The next thing now is how to georeference. And how to georeference, you have to bring out the georeferencing icon. If it is not on your taskbar like this, you right click on any of these things. Let's say do it like this. It will now give you different. You see it now. If I uncheck this one now, it will disappear. You see, there's no more georeferencing toolbar now. I can right click any one of these icons on the screen, and I'll go and select the georeferencing. It will bring it now. After you can bring it like this, you just put it there where you want it to stay. You see it now. After that one, you now go to add control point. this control point. See the cursor? You click on add control point. It will be asking you to select the base point, and that you know its reference. This one, this point 1, you can see it now. It's in lat and long, but it's already converted to the rectangular coordinate by Joker. So you click this one, you zoom to where you can see it now. Excuse me, before we go there, you're supposed to go to georeferencing and uncheck the auto adjust. It's not good. Uncheck it. This is already unchecked now. Now, let's now continue with our add control points. You see it now? I click it now. After you click left click, you now right click it again. You can now bring it out, input XY, or use degree milliseconds, or you count the ball. But we have the XY it now. You can click it like this, XY. And then our XY for this one now is what? For point 1 is 527, 527, 613, 613, 0.350, 0.350. You click the Y. What is Y? 773, 685.430. Then you click OK. It will take you to that place. After that one, you go to second point that is already known on the map with the exact coordinate of the ground. So you go to the second one. I'm trying to zoom to that second one. This is second one. This is second one. You see it now. You click it, right click here, you input XY. But for second one is 527, 598.394. For the Y, for the second point, X01, 319.987. You click OK. Are you with me? So you go to the third point. You go to the third point. You go to the third point. You palm after zooming. Okay, zoom out. I'm just zoom out again. I palm it. Zoom out again for the third point. The intersected point. I right click. I'm just repeat the same step. For the third point, it's 555.197.301. And then my Y 801 342.783. You click OK as well. You see just discrepancy where it is here, where it exactly is here now. So like you just move down again, move down again. So I'm moving down again. For the last point, and then for the georeferencing, the more the control point you enter, the better the accuracy you get. But for this training, just for the training, we are using only 4 points, so that the accuracy we get here it will be so lower, lesser than to use many points. So, but the same procedure is the same procedure we follow for the Y 773 707.456. After that one now, after that one, to check whether your work is good, you can fill the link table to know the residual for the source of the point, and then the point you enter the source and the original coordinate you enter. If you look at this screen now, you can see the point. It be highlighted 1, 2, 3, 4. It has not been updated. You go to field link. This is the field link table to see the error. This is the error. If you look at this one now, give me the source, this one, original. It's telling you there's no any error here now. So after that, we can say okay. And you now say okay, you go to georeferencing back. You now say update georeferencing. When you click the update georeferencing, this thing will disappear. It's already updated. So it's georeference now. You click your select element icon to see it now. That's all about the georeferencing. If there's any point that you know here that you can use as your checkpoint, let's say one of these points here is checkpoint. After georeferencing, I can navigate to that place. Like this place now, if I know the coordinate of this place, I can click it now to check whether the coordinate of this place is correct. So now, the next thing now is how to create layer for different feature class here. If you look at this thing now, you have the stream here, you have the contour here, you have the settlement, this is the settlement, and also we have the text, the name of the settlement. You see Egere, Olubo, Sodun, Ayorose, and then and so on and so forth. Even you see the footpath, some you see the rail line. So now let's just create about three or four layer for the feature classes. Let's just create it now. Now you go to Arc Catalog, this catalog window. You go to Arc Catalog window to give you this one now. You go to collection folder, or you get there, go and look for digital mapping class. This digital mapping class. Now right click on digital mapping class, go to new, now say shapefile, and then we have different feature classes now. We have point for all these spot height or electric pole, electric map. We have the polygon, and we have the polyline. Polyline is just normal line. We have polygon, the one this has an area like settlement, building. So now let's start from the polyline because I want to create for contour. This for contours now. So I'm going to select the coordinate system for it. Click the edit, click select, click projected, click UTM, click on Africa as well. You navigate to Mina zone 31. You say add, after that we say apply, and then you click OK, and then you say polyline, contour. You click OK. It will definitely bring it here now. Here now you can edit your contour. If the color is not okay, you can select the appropriate color. Let's say this is the color I want to use for a contour. No. Let's say this color I want to use for a contour. You click OK. You can increase the width there. If you look at it now, you can increase the width as you like. You can decrease it now. So click OK now. Let's go to right click on digital mapping. You right click on digital mapping again. You go to the new shapefile. You go to shapefile. So let's say you want to do for the what? Stream or river. Let's call it stream. Stream. So and then for our stream as well, is a polyline. You click the polyline. So you now say edit the coordinate system for it. You go to project coordinate, the same procedure. You follow the same procedure. Africa. After Africa, you go to Minazone.1. Add, apply, OK. You see polyline stream, and there is OK here now. You see the color blinks, and it's not for stream. You can edit the color to be blue. This is it now. And then go to digital mapping again. You go to new. You click the shapefile. After shapefile, let's go for settlement. Let's do for settlement. And then the settlement is the polygon. Go to polygon, you go to edit as well, select, same thing, projected coordinate, use TM, Africa, and then in zone 31. Because we're working on zone 31 map, go apply, OK. If it's not so, that's why you click the one that you are appropriate with the region you are working. So you click OK. Now that you click everything now, you've created the data, you created the layer for the feature class that we have here now. That's how you will create the layer for everything that is there. For the text, you create the layer for it. For everything that you are so interested that you want to extract out now. The next stage now is georeferencing. And then on-screen digitizing. Sorry for my mistake. It's on-screen digitizing. And to do the on-screen digitizing, you right-click here, as I did. You go for editor. If it's there, don't bother. Editor bar. One is there now. This editor bar. Let me show it to you. This is the editor bar. Why is it? Okay, this editor bar. And then you go to editor, you say start editing. When you click on start editing, it will give you creature feature dialog box. This is it. If it doesn't show, you come here. If I do like this now, it will close, it will on. So create feature is there. It just bring it here now. The first I want to do is settlement. And before you go our settlement, this icon for settlement is not okay. You can change it to black. So you change it to black so that it will give us the way it is now. So for this, you want to do on settlement, you click on settlement. I want to do so. Our settlement is the polygon now. You zoom out on settlement. As you are just see the edge here, you go like this. You go like this. You see, it just giving you the fattest. You go like this. You go like this. You can right click and say finish sketch. It's finished. Do the second one. You repeat everything for all the settlements that's covered. Finish the sketch. You do like this again for this one as well. For this one as well. For this one as well. Right click. Finish the sketch. You do like this for this one as well. As well. As well the edges. Right click. Finish sketch. You will repeat the same procedure until you cover everything. When you finish that one, come here. Go and click the contour. The one you want to click. You see when you click contour now, it give you the line based on the feature class you give it now. This is the contour, brown. You see it give me the polyline, polyline, polyline. You can zoom it. Polyline, 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 polyline. You see, you can say finish the, you can continue with this. You continue like this, 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 continue like this. Is contour. You trace it. That's why we call it on-screen digitizing. That's like electronics tracing. Go like this, contour, you contour, you continue like this, you right click, you say finish sketch. Now for the stream now, there's one stream here that is here. You go like this, you see the color is there. You go like this for the stream, permit for the stream, for the stream. Go like this, go like this, go like this. Let's just stop here, right click, finish sketch. You can start the intersected point. See here, go like this, go like this, go like this, go like this, go like this. I'm just on screen. No, that's how we do for everything. But the care must be taken. You must use appropriate layer for the appropriate feature. Appropriate the feature that you want to on screen. Finish the sketch. Let me just do the intersected point as well. I want to do it like that. So other thing that I want to on screen, you will continue finish sketch. So now, when you now finish all your this thing now, let's say I've covered everything that I want to do here now. You now go back to your editor. You now say stop editing. You know, so do you want to save your editing? You say yes. So all the editing that I did, it will have been saved. To see what we have done so far now, You can off the layer for your image you added already. You see now, this is where we just on screen. This one did now. You see this one cloud layer, you can click it, you can click it, you can click this is contour, you can go to draw order. I want to take it to the back. No, you go back to wait, sorry, go back to your editor, click this one, you now say okay, 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 okay. See that one just explain. This is it now, is there editor after that save edit and then that's all. Just save edit. So see the settlement there, the river. That's how you will do for everything. So we continue our next video training on how to after that one how to give you a layer, how to give you data the paper, how to map how to embellish the map embellishment now. So be expecting our next program on it. Have a nice day. If there's any problems happening, send it to the wall. We treat the problem that you are facing. Thank you very much.